Okay, we're going to go ahead and have a very quick tutorial here on how to use LUTs. So these are two clips that I've already loaded into DaVinci Resolve, both shot with the DJI Mavic 2 Pro. The first one here was a snowy day that was shot in D-Log. And then the second one over here was a bright and sunny day that was actually shot in normal. So real quick to show you, you can tell that this is just a pretty flat and kind of dull effect from the way that it was shot. And this is really going to be a lot better, however, in post-production. So what you do is you have your clip selected, and I always have um, the, the bar over the clip that I'm doing. Go down to Fusion, go over to select your LUT. I have a couple of them that I use more often than normal. I select this, and I always go to log first. Just tends to bring out the kind of the base a lot better. And then with this being a kind of a cooler type of scene, the cooler LUT actually tends to make it really pop out. If you don't like the way that it looks or want to just take a look and see what else there's available, just simply hit delete and that'll take away that LUT that you just put in, and then you can look through all of the other ones available. But for the winter scenes, I tend to really like the log LUT as well as cooler. And then you go down, select the next clip that you want. And since this one's kind of more of a brighter, kind of a sunny day, that was actually shot on normal and not log. So it already has just some base color that's better. This one actually tends to go really well with the vibrant, and just tends to bring out the blues as well as the rest of the colors a lot better. However, there also is some other LUTs that I've acquired, and this is a ocean LUT, which tends to work a little bit better if this was shot on D-Log as opposed to normal. So with this clip, I just really like the vibrant. Thanks for watching this, and if you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out. Thanks.